Hello, hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. This is Omsi Reddy. Today we are going to see on one more problem on Python, a simple codes. Recently we have seen so many things like swapping of numbers and finding the counting the number of values. These are the videos I have recently uploaded, and I will give the link in description and in the info also. You can go and check there and have idea about this code. Today we this is a small thing about the coding techniques with simple Python code by using the finding the largest number among the three numbers. When you input a three numbers, we want to find which one is the largest. For that case, we can write in two ways, like initializing the inputs from beginner or interface. User can give the numbers. So at first let's move into that. Initially we can initialize the numbers. Okay, let's start the code. That I'm giving the num is equals to 12 10 or 10 something, and num2 is equals to 62, num3 is equals to 45. This is the things I'm initializing. So let's now I'm going to input some conditional statements. Here the conditional statements. By using the conditional statements, we can write the formulas like if I'm found the if num1 greater than equals to num2 and num1 greater than equals to num3. This condition says that says that if given number 1 is greater than number 2 and number 1 is greater than number 3, if these two conditions is executed, then the print we want to print what we want to print means we want to print large number is largest number is number. Okay, right? I think so you have understand. Just I hope to give the colon same. Yeah, done. Yeah, this is a one if condition. Else if same that if number 2 is greater than, like let pause the num2 is greater than or equals to num1 and num2 greater than or equals to num1 or num3 is the one statement. If this statement is if this given number is satisfies these two conditions, then print largest number is num2. So this is if these two there's two condition and if else condition statement is fails, then else statement is executed. That is largest number is num3. Okay, this is a code. Let's execute. Execute means there is a largest number is num2, because here what we have initialized number 1 is equals to num1 equals to 20, num2 equals to 62, num3 equals to 45. Here the largest number is 62. So let's change these values. I am removing the 45 and I am keeping the 82. So we can get a output as largest number is num3. So I hope this is the clear for you, and this is a simple logic. So now we can write one more way, like by using the given the user, any user he have anywhere in the world, he can give the user. So for that case I am giving in only I am giving the int values, because I don't want to accept the floating values. Like I am giving the int value, int input enter number 1. Right, I am copying this whole thing and paste over for num2 and paste over for num3 and renaming number 1 2 and that one is 3. So let's execute. please and it means enter the number 1. I am entering 65. Enter the number 2. I am entering 56. Enter the number. I am entering 12. This is the thing which was given by the user. So let's execute. We get the largest number is 1 because 65 is the highest number and largest number, so we can get largest number. Yeah, that's all about this. This is a simple code we can write as a beginner of learning of Python. It's one type of interview questions also. You may learn this. I hope you are all understand about this video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates about artificial intelligence and data science.